The goal for Egypt is to become a global hub for transportation, logistics, and transit trade. It aims to become an attractive hub for major international shipping lines through optimal investment in marine terminal operations and to reinforce Egypt's position as a key player within major global supply chains. This hope would not have been achieved without optimal utilization of Egypt's maritime access to the Mediterranean, passing through Damietta port. This area will become the launch area for the largest project in the field of maritime trading and operations, starting with Tahya Misr 1 Terminal, the first achievement of Damietta Alliance Company, an alliance of the powerful. The concession is 30 years, where each of the following parties is entitled to specific responsibilities that should be fulfilled. The Damietta Port Authority is responsible for the building of the maritime infrastructure, quay wall, dredging, deep pavement of the terminal area. Damietta Alliance is responsible for the construction of the superstructure, the upper pavement of the terminal area, the office buildings and workshop buildings, the equipment, the personnel recruitment and training. A powerful launch for a giant alliance, born to keep pace with the aspirations and unprecedented achievements of Egyptian ports. To achieve this goal, the wills of the global shareholders of Damietta Alliance converged. Each has international influence in the container handling business and all divisions of maritime construction and operations. In the lead comes Hapag-Lloyd, a powerful force in global shipping lines with a capacity of 313 modern vessels and an annual capacity of 12.5 million TEUs, a maritime giant with 400 offices in 140 countries and 17,000 employees, specializing in maritime construction and logistics. The second shareholder is Eurogate, experts in operating major maritime terminals and the leading European expert in professional and reliable container handling. The third shareholder is Conchip Italy, is the Italian company, experts in operating major maritime terminals from the Mediterranean to the North Sea, and from there to promising investment hotspots in the Atlantic Ocean. Damietta Alliance also boasts two major local operators, Ship and Crew Egypt and Middle East Logistics and Consulting Group. The capabilities of this global alliance are further enhanced by the massive financial support, with investments totaling $600 million, provided by the International Financiers Association, represented by the following institutions: EBRD, IFC, DEG, AIIB, and Pro Parco Bank. The pace of progress at the Tahya Misr Container Terminal 1 has accelerated with the full support of His Excellency, Lieutenant General Engineer Kamil Al-Wazir, Minister of Transport, as well as the Chairman of Damietta Port Authority and his entire team. Despite all the geopolitical challenges in the region, Damietta Alliance is embarking on a marathon to implement its current plan to construct the superstructure for the terminal, which spans an area of 930,000 square meters, a massive logistics facility, and a large handling yard, with a capacity of 3.3 million TEUs annually and a draft of 18 meters, sufficient to efficiently and effectively operate giant container vessels up to 400 meters in length. Damietta Alliance Tahya Misr 1 Container Terminal was designed to include dozens of facilities, including 1,970 meters long, 18 meters deep, quay, 12 electric cranes, 40 hybrid gantry tired cranes, 6 train lanes on full operation, starting with 12 entry and exit lanes, sufficient to accommodate all major trading volumes, a meticulous operating system that considers our unwavering commitment to the highest standard of quality, safety, and environmental and social sustainability. The company has adopted the Environmental and Social Action Plan, ESAP system, in line with the performance requirements of the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, and performance standards of the International Finance Corporation, IFC performance standards. A firm belief in green environmental compatibility is evident in the design of the station building, which has achieved LEED Gold certification. Energy efficiency is optimized by adopting solar energy systems to meet half of the daily demand of several facilities. Additionally, yard cranes will be operated by electricity in addition to diesel. Giant cranes and yard cranes are also equipped with the power generation systems to re-inject electricity back into the grid. Adding to the company's capabilities is its provision of more than 2,000 job opportunities, half of which are for residents of Damietta Governorate, a governorate currently experiencing a tremendous boom, a promising future in the fields of logistics, transportation, and transit trade, with a prominent presence from Damietta Alliance Container Terminals Company, the alliance of the powerful.